Hey guys, this is Kailash Shani from Food Review Online. So today we are going to talk about a brand called Dr. Morpen. Since 1996, Dr. Morpen has been a pioneer in providing solutions for ever-changing lifestyle needs. Considering our current pandemic situation, I wanted to do something for our viewers where we talk about our immunity solutions or products that are available which will help us build during this lifestyle challenges that we are facing. So we're going to talk about Dr. Morpen in detail. In the meanwhile, if you wish to order them, they are available on Flipkart, Amazon and other retail formats. So guys, the first thing that we're going to talk about is Beautiful Nutrafol. This is actually the star attraction of our today's evening. We've seen so many positive reviews and testimonies from customers all around the world that we had to try this out first. Now, before we go further on to this, I want to talk about collagen. Collagen is one of the materials that makes up the cartridge for your bones and skin. Now, as you age up, there is tons of production in terms of your collagen production in your body. Now, marine collagen is considered to be one of the best in the world, and you can find that in Beautiful Nutrafol. So, the way you can have or consume marine collagen is in the form of a shake, or you can supplement it by food, the way you like it. So, guys, Beautiful Nutrafol has marine collagen protein enriched with antioxidant vitamin C and hydrochloric acid, which helps rejuvenate your skin cells by 1.5 times. It's easier to consume compared to other supplements. It has tons of amino acids and it's clinically proven. So the biggest benefit what I've understood after using the product is that it helps you with skin related issues such as dryness, dehydration, acne, or even wrinkles. So I truly recommend, if you have any of these, you should definitely try this out. So guys, you've seen the making, let's see how it tastes. Best part is it's not thick, it's easy to dissolve. It's readily absorbed by your body, and it's in a chocolate flavor, so I love it. And the other thing is that it's non-GMO, no dairy, no added sugar, no gluten. It's stevia sweetened. So all your skincare challenges are going to be taken care of if you just have one scoop a day. So guys, the next thing that we're going to talk about is Dr. Morpen's multivitamin. Now, considering the pandemic situation around us, everyone is talking about immunity and talking about multivitamins. But you know what? Before even the pandemic started, I used to take every day 1 tablet of multivitamins. The reason is because considering the lifestyle that we live, the food that we eat, there's always a gap that you're going to miss out on some vitamin or some mineral or the other. This multivitamin kind of fills in that gap, and I truly recommend that you try this out. So guys, Dr. Morpen's multivitamin is a perfect blend of all the multivitamins, multiminerals, amino acid, with taurine, lycopene and some ginseng extract, which ensures that you have a perfect balance of a physical and a mental health. So guys, you've seen how many reviews that I've done and how much food I eat, right? After all that, you don't think I have to digest all of that, right? And I have challenges digesting that. Dr. Morpen's Isabgol is a perfect solution for this. It helps you in digestion, and also it helps you kind of reduce your weight as well, because it kind of makes you feel full. It helps you in controlling your diarrhea. And Isabgol is something which is a household name in every Indian, I think. So I don't really have to talk more about Isabgol, but I think Dr. Morpen offers that, and it's a part of their theory of providing lifestyle solutions in your hands, and something that I really agree with. So guys, with this current pandemic situation, what has happened is it's changed our lifestyle upside down. We are getting up at odd hours, we're eating at odd hours, we're eating ready to eat food, we're getting barely any exercise. That means our fitness regime has gone for a toss. Our stamina, our energy levels have gone for a toss. Now in this situation, Forever Young comes in for a rescue. It has shilajit, it has ashwagandha, it has kesar, it has nutmeg, it has gold. It is recommended by Ayurvedic practitioners, and something that I would truly recommend because it comes from Dr. Morpen's house. So guys, we've spoken about adults in terms of their immunity and lifestyle challenges. How can we forget kids, right? So we have Dr. Morpen's vitamin C candies, which is 100% veg, gelatin-free, gluten-free, orange flavor. And the best part is it comes in the form of gummy, which all kids love to have. I have done that as a kid myself. I'm sure our kids are going to love it as well.